Hello my dear bachon, this is Adya Sharma and welcome back to my YouTube channel Vidya Tutorials by Adya Madam. Today I am going to present you the video on the topic electric field from the chapter Electric Fields and Charges of class 12 physics. So dear students, let's start with the topic. Electric field. Electric field is a physical quantity in which there is a charge and around the charge an energy field is created, okay, in the form of field lines. And because the field lines are created because of the presence of a charge, that is why those field lines are termed as electric field lines. And the field which is created by the charge, whether negative or positive, is known as the electric field. Let us understand it more clearly with the help of an example. Supposingly, I am placing a charge Q at some origin O, okay, and at a certain distance R from the origin O, another charge Q is placed, okay. And because of the presence of the charge Q at origin O, the charge which is present at the point P will experience a force, okay. If after some time we remove the charge Q which is present at the point P, we will find there is still some force which is acting on that area, okay. And that force, that energy was termed as the electric field. And from this the scientists had concluded that there must be some kind of energy which is surrounded by the charge due to the charge Q, which is surrounded by the charge Q placed at the origin, and that energy field was creating force on another charge which was kept at the point P. Now we can take any other point as well from the origin O apart from the point P, and if we place the charge at different positions at certain distances from the origin, we will find that the charge which is placed at different points will experience certain kind of force. And that was all because of the due to the electric field which was developed because of the presence of the charge at the origin O. So both the charges at the origin O and at the P will exert force on each other, because as it is said in the Coulomb's law, electrostatic law of Coulomb's states that if two charges are placed at certain distance with to each other, then both the charges will exert a force on each other. Okay students, so in this example we can say that the charge which is present at the point O is termed as the source charge, and the charge which was present at the point P is known as the test charge. So this was about electric field. Students, in my coming topic I will be discussing further on this along with some derivations. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt in your mind, you please do write in comment box so that I can make video on that. Secondly, like and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates of my upcoming videos. Don't miss it guys. Stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye. Stay fit, stay healthy. Good luck.